Hello everyone, in this video we will talk about the top 5 programming languages that you should learn in 2023. According to the latest Stack Overflow survey, these languages are in high demand and offer exciting job opportunities. I will break down each language detail into 3 main sections for better understanding. The first one is overview. In this section, we will dive into the history and introduction of each programming language, and we'll explore their key features. Next, we will talk about the practical applications of each language, uncovering how they are used in various industries and development. In this salary section, we will discuss how much you can earn with each programming language. The first one is JavaScript, which is a high-level scripting language that is widely used for web development, allowing developers to add interactivity and dynamic content to websites. JS is used for short. JavaScript was created by Brandon in 1995. Now let's talk about its applications. JavaScript has extensive use in various domains, including full-stack web development. JavaScript is the backbone of modern web development, enabling dynamic web pages and responsive user interface. It is commonly used for both front-end and back-end. Web APIs and libraries. Many libraries and frameworks such as React, Angular, and Vue.js are built on JavaScript. Mobile and game development. Technologies like React Native enable building cross-platform mobile applications using JS. It can also be used in game development with the Unity engine. JavaScript developer salary. According to Talent.com, the average annual salary for a JavaScript developer is between $70,000 to $115,000. Remember that salaries depend on factors like experience level and skills. The second most popular language is Python. Python is an interpreted, high-level, and general-purpose programming language. According to Stack Overflow, Python continues to be one of the most popular programming languages in 2023, showing that it is widely used by professional developers and people who are learning to code. It was created by Van Rossum, a Dutch programmer. Python's first version was released in 1991. Application. Python is suitable for a wide range of applications and domains. Web development. Python has many helpful tools and libraries that make it easy for developers to create scalable web apps. Some popular Python web frameworks are Django and Flask. Data science and machine learning. Python is the top choice for data science and machine learning because it has powerful tools that make working with data easy. Python developer salary. The job market for Python developer is thriving. According to Glassdoor, the average Python developer salary in the US ranges from $80,000 to $110,000 per year. The third language you should consider learning is TypeScript. TypeScript is a superset of JavaScript designed to enhance and extend capabilities of the JavaScript. TypeScript was created by Microsoft and first released in 2012. Application. Front-end web development. TypeScript is widely used in front-end web development, especially with modern web frameworks like Angular and React. Back-end development. TypeScript is increasingly adopted in Node.js applications, providing type safety and enhanced developer productivity on the server side. So we can say that TypeScript's ability to be used in front-end and back-end development makes it appealing for full-stack developers. TypeScript developer salary. According to Glassdoor, the average TypeScript developer salary in the US ranges $70,000 to $83,000 per year. Now let's talk about fourth language, Java. Java is a high-level, object-oriented, and versatile programming language, known for its write once, run anywhere capability. Java created in 1995, more than 3 billion devices run on Java. Application. Web development. Java is used for building server-side applications using frameworks like Spring. Mobile app development. Java along with Android Studio is the primary language used for developing mobile applications. Java is also used in enterprise applications, big data, and analytics. Average Java developer salary in the US ranges from $70,000 to $120,000 per year. The last but not least language you should consider learning is C#. C# or C# is a high-level, object-oriented language developed by Microsoft. C# was officially released in 2002 by Microsoft. Application. Windows desktop applications. C# is commonly used for building desktop applications using technologies like Windows Forms. Web development. C# can be used for web development with .NET, a web application framework that integrates with the .NET ecosystem. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to my channel for more content.